Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
First, confirm your PC supports DirectX 12 before changing Fortnite settings. Check you run Windows 10 or Windows 11. Open DXdiag and review DirectX version and feature levels. Look for feature level 12.0 or higher. Also verify your GPU has at least 4 GB of RAM available. Finally, update your graphics driver to the latest official vendor release. Reboot after driver updates to ensure the system applies the new DirectX support. Open Epic Games Launcher and navigate to Library, then find Fortnite. Click the 3 dots and select Manage to open launch options. Enter the command line, flags DX12 and D3D12 in the launch options field. These flags force the game to attempt DirectX 12 mode on startup. After adding the flags, use Verify to check game files for corruption. Restart the launcher, and then launch Fortnite once more to confirm it loads in DirectX 12 mode. If the game still refuses DirectX 12, disable any GPU compatibility mode in Windows. Turn off overlays like Discord, GeForce Experience, or Xbox Game Bar temporarily. Reinstall the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables to ensure runtime libraries are intact. Run Windows Update to apply the latest DirectX and system patches. If DirectX 12 still fails, remove the DX12 flags and try D3D11 to confirm the game runs under.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.